down the field, and now we're gonna rake all this hay here. So, I don't know, we should get about probably 4 or 5 bales out of that little area right there. At least, maybe more. It's been pretty wet this summer. So all the grass underneath is wet, and so you rake it up, get it from underneath the ground, prepare it to get baled. Alright, well, we'll come check it out. Here in a little bit when they do the, when we come in and do the smaller circles right in front.